Walkera Voyegar 3. Walkera Voyegar 3 is a drone developed by a modern technology company called Walkera. The drone has a GPS and GLONASS dual navigation copter, allowing incredible user experiences for those who are older than 14 years old and have some experience already with the usage of drones. It has a 3-axis gimbal, which allows you to make a stable video footage with real-time video feeds on the F12E RC controller. The drone has a 360-degree camera view only by flipping a switch. It has a wingspan of 13.6 inches and is quite heavy in terms of weight, weighing around 3.6 kilograms or 8 pounds. This drone is made up of ABS plastic, carbon fiber, and aluminum to ensure higher resistance to falls or crashes. The propellers and arms are made from carbon fiber. This drone can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080 pixel clips at 60 frames per second. It has a 3000 mAh 8S battery, allowing a flight time of just over 20 minutes, and has a transmitter equipped with 12 channels of 2.4 GHz with an FPV monitor.